Parrot. There are several species of parrots. Most of them are found in tropical and subtropical areas. Parrots are omnivorous, and their eating habits vary from species to species. They are fond of eating seeds, nuts, fruits, and meat. The incubation period lasts between 18 to 30 days. Both parents take turns to sit on the eggs. At 3 weeks old, they begin to develop their feathers, but they don't reach adulthood until they are between 1 to 4 years old. Many parrots can imitate sounds. They are known for their ability to reply back. The acute eyesight of a parrot enables it to see colors with greater clarity than humans. It can see ultraviolet rays that humans cannot. The cockapoo parrot is also the world's largest parrot, as well as one of the longest living birds on the planet, with an average lifespan of 95 years. Parrots are social creatures. They generally live in groups of 20 to 30 birds. Parrots are very loving creatures and often show their affection for other birds or even humans by kissing them. They pick this trait from their mother. A group of parrot is called a pandemonium. Pigeon. Pigeons are incredibly intelligent birds. Pigeons are social. They always hang around in groups of 20 to 30 and share quite good relationships with each other. When pigeons look in a mirror, they can recognize themselves. They can also recognize each letter of the alphabet, differentiate between photographs, and even distinguish different humans within a photograph or in a video. In certain religions, pigeons are considered to be holy and are fed by members of different religions. Pigeons are romantic birds. They love their partner and help each other to raise their offspring, taking turns to get food and look after the nest. Pigeon droppings are full of nitrogen and other chemicals that plants need to grow big and strong. Studies show that pigeons use roads and motorways to navigate. They even navigate with the help of the Earth's magnetic field, visual clues such as landmarks. In ancient times, pigeons were used as message carriers. Pigeons have strong muscles used for flying. They can fly at the altitude of 6,000 feet. Pigeons can fly at the speed of 50 to 60 miles per hour. Because of their incredible speed and endurance, pigeons are used for racing. Winner of the 400 miles long race can earn $1 million. Pigeons produce milk, though not actual milk like mammals do. However, it is essentially the same as milk. It is a white liquid containing all the necessary antioxidants, fats, nutrients, and proteins which is required by a baby bird. Parakeet. The word parakeet means long tail. Parakeets are also known as budgies. The parakeet is a flock bird, which means they are very social, both with each other and with people. Parakeets are very intelligent and can be taught a large vocabulary. Conversing with them can be a fun pastime. A According to the Guinness Book of World Records, the record holder for the bird with the largest vocabulary belongs to Puck, the budgerigar, with a vocabulary of more than 1,700 words. Parakeets are affectionate. As long as you pay them a lot of attention, they will return the favor. The sear located right above the parakeet's beak reveals their gender. A fully mature male parakeet has a blue sear, while a female's is brown. Budgies have a third eyelid that is not usually visible, but that is important for lubricating the eyes and keeping them clear of dirt and debris. They have monocular vision, which means they can move and see out of each eye independently of the other one. They have an incredibly acute vision and can register over 150 images per second, compared with just 16 for humans. The shells of a budgie's eggs are covered with pores, which allows oxygen and carbon dioxide to enter and exit the shell. Sparrow. House sparrows are strongly associated with human habitations and can live in urban or rural settings. House sparrows use a set of postures, behaviors, and vocalizations to communicate with others of their species. Sparrows are known to choose one mate and stick with them for life. Once they start their own little bird family, males often help females cover their eggs and even feed the babies once they hatch. Sparrows are primarily seed eaters, and both evolutionary lineages have strong conical beaks. Sparrows also consume small fruits such as cherries, dogwood, berries, and blackberries from time to time. Every year on 20th March, World Sparrow Day is observed to raise awareness and protect the house sparrows. The first World Sparrow Day was organized in 2010. The house sparrow takes frequent dust baths. In doing so, a sparrow may make a small depression in the ground and sometimes defends this spot against other sparrows. Sparrows also help plants grow because when they eat from plants, they pass on the seeds in their droppings. The other benefit is that those droppings also provide natural pesticides for those plants, as birds' waste contains arsenic, which functions as a poison for many pests. Field sparrows prefer old fields and forest edges. Chipping sparrows typically inhabit forest edges that are close to a wild, open area for feeding. Sparrow is a symbol of loyalty in Japan, owing to its friendly nature and ability to live in groups. In art, sparrows represent innocence and simplicity because this bird is cute-looking and does not harm anyone. They have contributed to science in a significant way. Approximately 5,000 research papers have been published with these little birds as study species. Kingfisher. Kingfishers have advanced eyesights, polarizing light being one of its abilities, reducing light's reflection of the water. These birds are excellent flyers, and their flight path is generally straight and fast with rapid wing beats. They fly low and straight like bullets, reaching up to 25 miles per hour. They have sharp pointed and long beaks, which slices soundlessly through water. It helps them to catch their prey, especially fish. When diving for a meal, the kingfisher often completely submerges in the water, with its wings folded back to form a V shape. It is even able to dive straight through thin ice to catch a fish. The average length of the kingfisher is 15 to 30 centimeters, and its lifespan is about 12 years. Kingfishers are solitary birds and have to overcome a natural aversion to one another in order to come together to breed. They nest in holes, usually tunnels dug into the natural or artificial banks in the ground. The chicks have a white tip to their beaks, and their parents have a white flash on each side of their face, providing a luminous visual clue. They eat a wide range of prey including fish, crabs, tadpoles, etc.